Today, we're going to dive into a crucial aspect of search engine optimization, link building and guest posting. Yeah, I know it might sound a bit technical, but stick with me because it's a crucial part of ranking your website higher on Google. If you're looking for a professional to handle your off-page SEO, link building, and securing guest posts on some of the most respected blogs and publications, I really recommend checking out the services offered on rankifier.com. Alright, let's start with the basics. Link building and guest posting are the dynamic duo of SEO. They play a vital role in boosting your website's visibility and credibility. Why? Well, it's because search engines like Google use backlinks as a measure of your website's authority. The more quality backlinks you have, the higher you'll rank in those search results. So, how do you start growing your website's backlink profile? Well, it's a bit like networking. You want to reach out to other websites in your niche, make connections, and show them why you're worth linking to. Guest posting is an excellent way to do that. You write valuable content for someone else's website, and in return, you get a sweet backlink to yours. Step 1. Research websites in your niche that accept guest posts. Step 2. Craft killer content that offers real value to their audience. Step 3. Reach out to the website owners with a friendly pitch. Building relationships is key, but remember that the process of building links takes time and effort. Now, you might be wondering, do you need a professional to handle all this for you? Well, it depends on how much time and expertise you have. Link building and guest posting can be time-consuming and require some skill, especially to get those high-quality backlinks. That's where a service like rankifier.com comes in handy. They're a team of SEO experts who specialize in link building and guest posting. They've got the experience and the connections to land you guest posts on some of the most respected blogs and publications. Link building and guest posting are essential for your website's success. They boost your SEO, bring in more organic traffic, and build your website's reputation. So, start networking and creating valuable content. And if you need that extra boost, check out rankifier.com. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more SEO tips, and I'll see you in the next video.